It's the way down to the side for to have a good look at the broken beach. This part of the broken beach. We'll see later on. It's the Angel Billabong, but unfortunately the water is on the upside, so there's not enough water to enter this Angel's Billabong. There. Otherwise, this is a floor. This is the way to Angel's Billabong, and the other side you can go to the broken beach. The broken bridge. There's no high tide, so the water is not so terrific. Or there's another view. You can see the other side of the broken bridge, and there are some tourists from the other side. Look. Unfortunately, there are no huge waves. You see what it is over there. Yeah. There's no huge wave. Yeah. There's another look of the broken bridge. It's from the land side here. You go outwards. There, the other side, the open ocean. There's a huge wave on the other side. Let's see when the this is the waves are not so huge, unfortunately, so we didn't see spectacular waves. Just the way to Crystal Beach. It's downhill, almost very steep. Look. To the left, it's a ravine, and so that's why it's a one-way traffic, alternating one-way traffic. I mean, arranged by the local people here. Yeah, this is Crystal Bay from the parking. Lot is not far, just a short distance of 1 minute. Crystal Bay. Look, there's a hole, but we don't go there. These are the fishermen's small boats, and the beach is quite crowded. waves coming. But it's very dangerous for doing some surfing.
Ibu lihat batunya kayak kala-kala dia kan. Ini kan batunya agak kala-kala.
Crystal Bay, learning to surf. The waves are quite big, around more than 1 meter tall. But it's very dangerous to be surfing because it hits the rocks. There is a wave coming. At our hotel, the Sankara Beach Resort, Nusa Penida. It's immediate to the shores, the sea, beach. Nice hotel. Yeah, I don't know whether it's possible to hear the voice. At our hotel, the Sankara Beach Resort, Nusa Penida. It's immediate to the shores, the sea, beach. Nice hotel. Yeah, I don't know whether it's possible to hear the voice.
Tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes each one, she passes, goes
Well, just the view. Also, the resort has immediate access to the beach side, and it's quite private. Looks like private. Yeah. It's a nice small restaurant. There are the bungalows or the villas. It's quite all of them are luxurious or suites. This is the Sankara Resort Beach Hotel. Resort's very beautiful and overlooking the Mount Agung.